Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you were seeing error code 802840001 when logging into Microsoft Teams, it usually points to a malfunction with your computer's Trusted Platform Module, or TPM, which handles your security keys. I will show you exactly how to reset this security hardware and clear the corrupted tokens right now. Let's get started. First, we need to remove the current organizational connection because the security token linked to it is likely broken by the TPM error. Open your Windows settings, navigate to the Accounts menu, and select Access Work or School. Find your connected Microsoft 365 account in the list, click on it, and select Disconnect. Keep in mind that doing this will temporarily remove your automated access to other connected Microsoft applications, so ensure any active work is saved before confirming the prompt. Next, you must clear the Trusted Platform Module cache to force your computer's motherboard to generate fresh, uncorrupted cryptographic keys. Press your Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog, type exactly tpm.msc and press Enter to open the Hardware Management Console. On the right side of the window, under the Actions pane, click Clear TPM and follow the prompts to restart your computer. This is a highly effective method for resolving cryptographic errors, but be aware that clearing your TPM will reset your Windows Hello PIN, so you will need your actual Microsoft account password to log back into Windows after the reboot. Finally, once your computer has successfully restarted, you must flush out any lingering cache data before trying to log into Teams again. Open your Start menu, search for Credential Manager, go to the Windows Credentials tab, and select Remove for any entries containing Microsoft, Office, or Teams. After those old legacy tokens are completely deleted, open the Microsoft Teams application, enter your standard login credentials, and your system will successfully register a brand new security key with your organization. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.